Hi, I'm Jack Hemingway with a Gardening Products Review. Today we're testing folding hand saws. The one I have in my hand is from the Gardener's Supply Company. This is one of my favorite saws. It was easy to start the cut. It made a nice clean cut and it cut quickly. One of the things I like about this is that it has a rubberized grip. It's very easy to hold on to. The tolerance of the blade is very tight. It has a nice unlocking and locking mechanism, and it's also fully adjustable in terms of the tension in between the handle and the actual blade itself through this screw here. Has a hole for a lanyard or a nail to hang it up in your shed. Overall, I really like this saw. It cut very smoothly and it was very easy to start the cut.